Now in this lecture, we are going to work on logout functionality. Inside this users area, I will create the file logout.php. Only if we work on logout.php, we can work on login. Why? Because in registration, we have already set the username. So definitely we cannot go to login page. So here I will be writing PHP and then close PHP. Inside this, first I'm just going to start the session. Below this, I will be writing session unset. So what this will be doing, whatever session variables I am having, it is going to remove all the session variables. Okay, for each and every session variable, I will be having empty values. Below this, after removing, I'm just going to destroy all my session variables. Once it is done, where I should redirect? I should redirect to index.php. So here I will be writing location. And in which file I have to move? I have to move to index.php. Okay, I have to come outside of users folder and then I have to write index.php. Below this, I'm just going to exit. After writing this, open navbar.php. I am having this logout. Inside this, what I will be doing, I'm just going to copy this complete href. Copy this complete href and here I will be pasting. Okay, not here. Here I have to paste. In place of this, I will write users area and inside that I am having logout.php. Now save this. Come to project, refresh once. Now if I click on register, you can see I am redirected to profile.php. Why? Because we have registered the user and session is set. Now I am just going to click on this logout. As soon as I click on logout, all the session variables are destroyed and I am redirected to index.php. Now if I click on register, successfully I will be able to move to register page. And also inside this navbar, we are just going to check for the condition. If the user is registered, then we don't have to show this register and login for this user. So what we will do here, above this, okay, above this my account, I will be writing PHP and below this count and register, I'm just going to close PHP. Inside this, I will be checking for the condition. If is set session, my session name is username. If my username session is set, which simply means user is already registered, in that situation, I have to show my account. And wherever I am having double quotes, I'm just going to change to single quotes. And previously, we have already created profile.php. So entire thing I'm going to copy. In place of this, I will be pasting single quotes. Here also single quotes. Remove this. I will write users area slash profile.php. If I click on this my account and if the user is registered or login, then I should be redirected to profile page. Then else part. Else, if the username is not set, then what I have to display? I have to display this li. Copy. Here I will be writing echo, double quotes, and inside this li, wherever I am having double quotes, I'm just going to change to single quotes. Okay, all cool. Let us check. Come to project, refresh once. Okay, let me just remove this. Save. Come here, refresh once. Now you can see I have already logged out. So that is the reason my account has gone. Why? Because now user is not set. So my account will be gone. Now same thing. I'm just going to copy. Below this I will be pasting and here I'm just going to close. If this session is set, then what I have to do? I will write here echo, double quotes, close this, semicolon, and inside the else part, I'm just going to echo this entire thing. Single quotes, all good. Here also, I'm just going to write echo. If username is set, then in place of login, I should be having logout. First, let me change this. Single quotes, single quotes. I think all good. If username is set, user is already registered or logged in. So in that case, here I should be having logout. So what I can do, simply I can change the condition. If username is not set, I have to display login. if username is set, then I have to display logout. And after that, I'm just going to close PHP. Now you can see as soon as I refresh, I am not having logout button. I am only having register and login. My account and logout has gone. But now here directly if I click on register, it will not be working. Why? Because here inside HTML, we are using PHP and it will be treated as normal string. So what we have to do? We have to do the concatenation. So first, let us come to this register and my account. This is our href. Here I'm just going to close this. Okay, close double quotes. Concatenate this one with dot. And now we are already inside PHP. Again, I do not have to include this PHP. Okay, carefully see what changes I am doing. Then come here, remove this PHP tag. Then what I have to do? I just have to write here dot and again start with double quotes. In this way, we are going to make the changes. And why I have removed PHP? Because we are already inside the PHP. Directly we are calling the function and accordingly content will be shown. Here also I have to do the same thing. Double quotes, concatenate this one, remove PHP. Here also remove this closing PHP, add this one, concatenate, and then I will be passing single quotes. Save this. Now come to project, refresh once, click on this register. Successfully, I will be able to redirect to registration page. Now for login also, I will be doing the same thing. Copy this exact same thing. Inside this, I will be pasting. Instead of user registration, I will write user login.php. And this file, I'm just going to create, copy. Inside this users, I'm just going to create this file. Okay, later on we are going to work. Rest entire thing will be same. And here also what I will do, I will copy the same href. And inside this, I'm just going to paste. Now in place of this login, I will be writing logout.php. Why we are doing this? Because we are already inside the PHP and we are concatenating and we are calling this function. Now come here, refresh once, click on this login. Successfully, we will be redirected to this page. If I come on home, click on register, we are going to redirect to this page. Now I will register with another user. Let me write ria@gmail.com. I will select some random file. Okay, later on I will be deleting. 4, address, mobile number. Click on register. Registration is successful. Now you can see I am not having register and login button. Instead, I am having my account and logout. If I click on my account, I will be redirected to profile page. If I click on logout, user will be logged out. Okay, successfully we have done with the registration as well as we have done with the logout part.